Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Asana intake forms for brand requests, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Asana workspace. Navigate to the project where you want to create the intake form. Click on the Customize button at the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Forms. Click on Create a Form. You'll be taken to the Form Builder interface. Begin by giving your form a title. Add a brief description explaining the purpose of the form. To add questions, click on Add Question. Choose the type of question you want, such as text, multiple choice, or drop-down. Fill in the question prompt. If applicable, add options for multiple choice or drop-down questions. Make questions required by toggling the required button on. You can also add sections to organize the form better. To do this, click Add Section and label it accordingly. To rearrange questions or sections, simply drag and drop them into the desired order. Once you have added all necessary questions, review the form for clarity and completeness. Click on the Settings tab to customize the form. Here, you'll find options to enable notifications for submitted forms. You can also set who can submit the form. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Share Form. You will be provided with a link to the form. Copy the link and share it with your team or stakeholders. If you want to embed the form on a website, you can find the embed code in the sharing options. Test the form by filling it out yourself. After testing, revisit the form builder if any adjustments are needed. Your Asana intake form for brand requests is now configured and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.